Coffee Shop POS with Shopify. Inventory and transaction management are key components of running a profitable and effective business for store owners. When it comes to simplifying procedures, increasing productivity, and offering excellent customer service, the appropriate point-of-sale system may make all the difference. If you operate a coffee business, Shopify POS is an excellent solution. Click here to learn more about getting started. Let's look into it. Why should you use Shopify POS? Shopify POS makes it simple to manage your inventory and transactions. You can simply track sales in real time, produce customized reports, and handle payments. Furthermore, it is extremely user-friendly. Even individuals who are not technically smart will be able to learn how to use it fast. Furthermore, Shopify POS interfaces with other parts of your business, such as online orders and marketing activities. This helps you to keep track of all your sales in one location, eliminating the need to manually move data between platforms or deal with complicated spreadsheets. Finally, if you have any queries or need assistance debugging an issue, Shopify provides excellent customer service. What can Shopify POS do for me? You can handle anything from managing inventory levels to processing payments at the register using Shopify POS for your coffee business. You also have access to comprehensive analytics that give insights into trends in client demand and purchasing patterns, allowing you to change prices or design targeted marketing campaigns based on the system's data. Customers also value the ability to pay with their preferred payment method, cash, debit card, which may assist improve sales and customer loyalty over time. Finally, you can quickly incorporate additional applications and add-ons into the system, allowing you to further modify its functionality while still retaining a user-friendly interface, which improves productivity and staff morale. Shopify POS is a must-have for any coffee business owner trying to optimize operations while offering excellent customer service. It has a plethora of tools that make managing inventory and processing payments easier than ever before, as well as access to comprehensive data that allow store owners to make educated decisions about their future company strategy. Furthermore, its simple yet powerful interface means that even individuals with less technical knowledge can use it efficiently, making it the ideal answer for busy cafe owners who don't have time for intricate systems. So, what are you holding out for? To get started with Shopify POS right away, click the link below.